Hi, it's Anthony from carplaylife.com, and if you're looking for a solid laptop stand for your home or work office, keep watching for my review of the Quntis laptop stand. So today I'm looking at this laptop stand from Quntis. This is a solid aluminium metal stand that you place onto your desktop or table surface to help raise the laptop screen to a position that will help with posture, to reduce back pain, as well as reduce eye strain. You then use a separate mouse and keyboard to turn your laptop into a more desktop experience, which helps to improve with productivity by reducing the issues that come with working on a laptop continuously over long periods. This stand is capable of holding up to 10 kilograms of weight from your laptop, which means it can support laptop sizes from 10 to 17 inches in screen size. I found it had no problem holding my 13-inch MacBook Pro, which only weighs just 1.37 kilograms. The stand was more than capable of supporting its weight. Across the whole working day, it never dropped or lost any of its height. The stand has two hinge points. The first is attached to its wide base, which allows the elevation of the stand. And further up, you have a second hinge point that allows the plate to rotate its laptop rest to tilt it forward and back. Combined, you should be able to position your laptop screen at a comfortable height, which should be around eye level, which will help with eye strain and also back problems you might encounter when working from a laptop on a much lower table surface. On the top and also on the bottom of the base, there are some rubber pads to help protect your laptop from the metal surface. There's also arms at the bottom of the angled plate that help protect the laptop with these rubber pads on them also. A nice new addition to this stand over many other stands that are out there is this integrated mobile holder that you can simply slide out from the base and also tilt it upwards to support any mobile phone for such thing as calls or to monitor notifications on your mobile phone. You could also use this stand to hold a notepad or document for easy reference whilst you also work. This resting plate also has some rubber material on the lower end and also at the back to help protect your mobile phone from the metal material of the stand. The phone holder can be completely unscrewed and removed, so if you do not want this element to be on your stand, I found it also quite helpful to have it on alongside the stand and use independently as a prop for my phone, for example. This laptop stand from Quntis retails for $35.99 from Amazon in the UK, and there is currently a 10% money off voucher code that you can apply at checkout to take it a little bit lower too. You can check out the code and the links to buy it in the description below. This stand is very simple and the market is very competitive. However, the inclusion of just this mobile phone holder adds that little bit extra to what is a very good and solid built stand. Its hinge joints are very good and more than capable of supporting the weight of most laptops selling today. The mobile phone holder is a nice addition that I can see many workers using, and it can be easily removed and put to the side as a separate phone or document stand, which is a great feature also. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful, and if it has, please give us a like and let me know in the comments if this is the kind of laptop stand that you're looking for. Hit that subscribe button down below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.